Installing software manually on every single endpoint is time-consuming, tedious, and completely unsustainable. Rippling puts you back in control of your endpoints with its software deployment feature. You can remotely and automatically install software on your managed devices with just a few clicks. Rippling's catalog includes a ton of common applications, like Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, Slack, and Zoom. If you don't find what you need, you can upload your own installer packages or leverage Apple App Store licenses via VPP sync. The best part is the control you have. You can use Rippling-wide supergroups to specify exactly which devices get what software. You can target and scope deployments using smart Boolean search, like maybe only marketing folks in the Chicago office location need to get the Office suite. And along with user-based information, you can assign software according to device criteria as well. So maybe you only want to roll out new software to macOS devices that have a silicon chip or a certain version of Windows. Rippling takes the manual work out of software management, giving you back valuable time and ensuring your company's devices and workforce have exactly what they need when they need it.